Top 6 seeds you should be eating now if you have diabetes. Did you know that just a handful of tiny seeds, ones that might seem too small to make any real difference, can actually help control your blood sugar and improve your heart health? If you have diabetes, these little powerhouses could be the key to feeling better. But which ones should you be eating? Stick around to discover the top 6 seeds you should be eating now if you have diabetes. Seeds may seem small, but they're packed with nutrients that can make a big impact on your health, especially if you're managing diabetes. From stabilizing blood sugar to improving heart health, these tiny foods punch way above their weight. In today's video, we'll explore the best seeds for diabetes and how you can easily add them to your meals. Ready to make a simple yet powerful change to your diet? Let's get started. Number 1. Chia seeds. Let's start with one of the most popular seeds on the list: chia seeds. These tiny black or white seeds come from a plant called Salvia hispanica, native to Central America. While they might look small, chia seeds pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition, making them an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, and antioxidants, all of which are crucial for stabilizing blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes, fiber is especially important because it helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those sharp spikes in blood sugar that can be harmful. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains around 11 grams of fiber, which is about 1/3 of the daily recommended intake for adults. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health. Since people with diabetes are at a higher risk for heart disease, adding chia seeds to your diet can help improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and protect your heart. Studies have shown that omega-3s can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues, making chia seeds a great addition to your daily routine. What's more, chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can eat them whole or ground, and they're easy to incorporate into meals. Add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on top of yogurt, or mix them into your oatmeal. If you're looking for a quick snack, you can even soak them in water overnight to create a chia pudding. It's delicious and filling. Research backs up the benefits of chia seeds for people with diabetes. A study published in Diabetes Care found that chia seeds helped lower blood sugar levels in participants with type 2 diabetes. The high fiber content of chia seeds helps slow down digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to keep your blood sugar levels under control. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to manage your diabetes, chia seeds should definitely be on your radar. They're not just a trendy food, they're a powerful, nutrient-dense seed that can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. Number 2. Flax seeds. Next up, let's talk about flax seeds, also known as linseeds. These tiny seeds have a nutty flavor and a texture that's similar to sunflower seeds. Despite their small size, flax seeds are packed with nutrients that can be incredibly beneficial for people with diabetes. One of the key benefits of flax seeds is their high fiber content. This is particularly important for people with diabetes, as it can help prevent those sudden spikes in blood sugar that can be harmful over time. Flax seeds are also rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health. Since people with diabetes are at a higher risk of heart disease, incorporating flax seeds into your diet can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve overall cardiovascular health. But here's the catch. To get the full benefit of flax seeds, they should ideally be eaten ground. The fibrous outer shell of the seed is tough to digest, so grinding them helps your body absorb all the nutrients. You can easily add ground flax seeds to your meals by sprinkling them on your yogurt, mixing them into smoothies, or adding them to your baking recipes. They're incredibly versatile and can be added to a wide variety of foods without much effort. Research has shown that flax seeds can also help stabilize blood sugar levels. A study published in Diabetes Care found that consuming flax seeds helped improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. The high fiber and healthy fats in flax seeds work together to slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes flax seeds an excellent choice for anyone looking to better manage their diabetes. In addition to their blood sugar benefits, Flax seeds are also packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, which is a major concern for people with diabetes, as it can lead to complications like nerve damage and kidney problems. By adding flax seeds to your diet, you're not only supporting your blood sugar levels, but also protecting your body from potential damage caused by free radicals. So how can you start adding flax seeds to your diet? It's simple. You can grind them up and add them to your morning smoothie, or sprinkle them over your salad for an extra boost of nutrition. You can even mix them into your oatmeal or yogurt for a healthy, fiber-packed breakfast. The possibilities are endless, and incorporating flax seeds into your daily meals is a small change that can make a big difference in managing your diabetes. Number 3. Hemp seeds. Now let's talk about hemp seeds. These small seeds come from the cannabis sativa plant, but don't worry, they contain no trace of THC, the psychoactive compound found in marijuana. Instead, hemp seeds are packed with protein, essential minerals, and vitamin E, making them a fantastic addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. One of the standout benefits of hemp seeds is their high protein content. Protein is essential for keeping your blood sugar levels stable as it helps slow down the absorption of sugar from your meals. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as it can help prevent those blood sugar spikes that can be harmful over time. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source, something that's not always easy to find in plant-based foods. In addition to protein, hemp seeds are rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in heart health, which is especially important for people with diabetes who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular issues. Hemp seeds are also an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body from oxidative stress. People with diabetes are more likely to experience oxidative damage, which can lead to complications like nerve damage and heart disease. By adding hemp seeds to your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight back against this damage and protect your health. Another great thing about hemp seeds is how versatile they are. You can eat them raw, cooked, or roasted, making it easy to incorporate them into a variety of meals. Add them to smoothies, sprinkle them over salads, or mix them into your yogurt or oatmeal for a nutrient boost. You can even use hemp seed oil as a healthy cooking oil or salad dressing. It's a great alternative to other oils, providing a rich source of healthy fats without the unhealthy trans fats found in some processed oils. Research supports the health benefits of hemp seeds for people with diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders found that hemp seeds can help improve blood sugar control and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in managing diabetes. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants makes hemp seeds a powerful tool for supporting your overall health. If you're looking for an easy way to add more protein and healthy fats to your diet, hemp seeds are a great option. Whether you're using them in your cooking or simply sprinkling them on top of your favorite dishes, they're a simple and effective way to boost your nutrition and support your diabetes management. Are these seeds sparking your interest? Let us know by hitting the like button and dropping a comment below. And if you want to discover more foods that are great for managing diabetes, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Let's talk about one of the most popular and easily accessible seeds, pumpkin seeds. These little seeds are not only delicious, but they're also packed with essential nutrients that can help support your diabetes management. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of phosphorus, monounsaturated fats, and omega-6 fatty acids, all of which play a vital role in maintaining overall health. Phosphorus is important for bone health, and it helps your body process carbohydrates and fats. For people with diabetes, managing blood sugar levels is crucial, and phosphorus can assist in regulating energy metabolism. This can help you maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. Since people with diabetes are at a higher risk of heart disease, including monounsaturated fats in your diet can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve your overall cardiovascular health. These healthy fats also support brain function, making pumpkin seeds a great addition to your diet for both physical and mental well-being. In addition, pumpkin seeds contain omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a common issue for people with diabetes and can lead to complications like nerve damage and heart disease. By adding pumpkin seeds to your meals, you can help reduce inflammation and protect your body from these long-term risks. One of the best things about pumpkin seeds is how easy they are to incorporate into your daily routine. You can eat them raw or roasted, and they can be added to a variety of dishes. Sprinkle them over your salad, mix them into your yogurt, or even add them to your smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. Just be sure to choose unsalted, natural pumpkin seeds to avoid unnecessary sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and other health issues. Number 5. Sesame seeds. Next on our list are sesame seeds, small but mighty when it comes to managing diabetes. These tiny seeds are packed with essential minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, selenium, thiamine, and zinc, all of which are crucial for maintaining good health. Despite their small size, sesame seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition that can support your body in more ways than one. Let's start with calcium. People with diabetes are at a higher risk of developing bone-related issues, such as osteoporosis, due to fluctuating blood sugar levels. By adding sesame seeds to your diet, you're giving your body a natural source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. This is especially important as we age, and it's a simple way to help prevent bone loss. Magnesium is another key nutrient found in sesame seeds, and it plays a vital role in blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for people with diabetes. When your body uses insulin more effectively, it's easier to manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. Iron and copper are also found in sesame seeds, both of which support your overall energy levels and immune function. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout your body, while copper plays a role in forming red blood cells. For people with diabetes, maintaining energy levels is important, especially since fluctuating blood sugar can lead to feelings of fatigue. One of the standout minerals in sesame seeds is manganese. This antioxidant-rich mineral helps regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It also supports your body's ability to manage inflammation, which is a common issue for people with diabetes. By adding sesame seeds to your meals, you're helping to reduce inflammation and protect your body from long-term damage. But that's not all. Sesame seeds are also a great source of healthy fats. They contain both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to improve heart health. Since people with diabetes are at an increased risk of heart disease, incorporating these healthy fats into your diet can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve overall cardiovascular health. The versatility of sesame seeds is another reason why they're so great for a diabetes-friendly diet. You can sprinkle them on salads, add them to smoothies, or mix them into your favorite dishes. They're also used to make sesame oil and tahini, which can be used in cooking or as a base for healthy dressings and dips. Number 6. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are another fantastic addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. These small, crunchy seeds are loaded with healthy fats, particularly omega-6 and monounsaturated fats, which are essential for heart health. If you have diabetes, protecting your heart is crucial, as people with diabetes are at an increased risk of heart disease. The healthy fats in sunflower seeds can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve overall cardiovascular health, making them a great snack option. But that's not all. Sunflower seeds are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from oxidative damage. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as high blood sugar levels can cause oxidative stress, leading to long-term damage to blood vessels and organs. By including sunflower seeds in your diet, you're giving your body a natural source of vitamin E to combat this damage and support your overall health. Another benefit of sunflower seeds is their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common issue for people with diabetes. and it can lead to a variety of complications, including heart disease, kidney damage, and nerve problems. The omega-6 fatty acids in sunflower seeds have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, making them a valuable tool for managing diabetes and preventing complications. Like other seeds, sunflower seeds are best consumed without added salt. Opt for natural, unsalted varieties to avoid unnecessary sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and other health problems. Eating sunflower seeds in their natural state allows you to enjoy their full nutritional benefits without any harmful additives. Research supports the idea that sunflower seeds can be a beneficial part of a diabetes-friendly diet. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that sunflower seeds can help improve blood sugar control and reduce inflammation in people with diabetes. Their combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties makes them a great choice for managing your blood sugar and improving overall health. So there you have it, 6 incredible seeds that can help you manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. From chia seeds to sunflower seeds, these tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can stabilize your blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. By adding these seeds to your daily diet, you're not just making a healthy choice, you're taking control of your well-being. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know which seed you're most excited to try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more health tips and tricks to help you live your best life with diabetes. And if you're looking for more tips on managing diabetes, be sure to check out the next video on my channel. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.